thank you. This is Jennifer again from Smart Energy. Today I'm also going to share is about our wholesale SC 1 kilowatt wind turbine. First, let's share is about the blades. It have 6 nylon blades with the hoop, also the nylon blade material, okay? And it's running, no noise. Second one is very quiet, okay, easy to run. Combined with this triangle shape, make it easier to catch the wind speed. And from the around you can see the whole construction is very simple and also very easy to install. And also this is very beautiful, like a Nike shape. And here you could put your own brand as well. We accept to customize for the blades. And also options, we have other blades shape for you. This is triangle one. This is much more smooth one, okay? This one is also very beautiful. We have 6 blades, 8 blades, and 5 blades options for you, both okay. And the third one is regarding for the voltage. Right now for this one we have 12 and 24 and 48 option for you, and combined with the different controller is okay. Like for this one, standard one is MPPT controllers. The price is very competitive for whole system, okay? Around $83 whole package. And also it can use hybrid controllers with the dump load. This is also a package system for you. This one controller will be much more smart with the monitor system to monitor wind speed, output, current, frequency, RPM, also the batteries, voltage, everything, and also can connect it with the PV, okay, solar panels. And this is have the LCD screen to read all data. This is the whole system we are using. And this one is also very easy to do. The rooftop is also okay. And also it can have the stock. It has stock right now in most of our warehouse like Poland, Russia, Spain, and also USA, Brazil, Middle East. Okay, so if you are from this area, you are very lucky and you can get very fast delivery and also maybe very competitive price for this wind turbine. Okay, thank you for your, and if you want to know more details, check with our sales. Thank you.